Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great recipe. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how I make my oven baked chicken and vegetable. This is so delicious and healthy. Have you tried out this recipe? If you have not, I know after watching this you would go and try yours. Yes. If you want to know how I prepare this oven baked chicken and vegetable, stay tuned to this video and let's dive into this video. So beautiful people, let's get into this video. As you can see, all the ingredient is ready. Here I have my chicken. I have the 2 lab chicken and 2 baby chicken because those are for my kids. That's why I call it baby chicken. If you are new here, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. In today's video we'll be making oven baked chicken and vegetable. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. This recipe is so delicious and healthy. Those are the chicken we will be using. Here I have my potato. This is the potato I'll be using as well. I also mixed it with ripe plantain. You can decide to use unripe as well. This is my vegetable: carrots, red bell pepper, onions, yellow bell pepper. The red one is mixed with green, not too red. I have my tomato. I have scotch bonnet pepper. You can use any of these vegetable of your choice to make this oven baked chicken and vegetable for yourself. The first time my elder brother made this recipe for me, I find it so delicious, as in I love it. I love it. Here I have my other ingredient, which is paprika. I have my paprika. I also have red pepper, although I did not use the red pepper anymore. The food was good. I did not bother to add the red pepper. I also use black pepper for this. I have my rosemary leaf as well. You also need lemon juice for this. You can also use other apple vinegar juice for this if you have it. I have my extra virgin olive oil. I have my salt and Maggi cube. These are the ingredients you need for this recipe. This is so easy, but I know you will love it, like love it. So guys, after trying this recipe, I find it so delicious and perfect, and I decided to share it with you guys, like recreate it for you guys. And before I do that, I decided to go and search for this content first, because you know we want to create what people want to see, like what people would love to watch. Before we go ahead with the gist behind this recipe, I would love us to marinate the chicken. You can see we have already started marinating it already with those ingredients that I introduced earlier. I will marinate it and I will keep it aside while we go ahead cutting the vegetable. Just keep on watching this video and I know you will love it the way I love this recipe. So as I searched for this recipe, the first person that popped up on top of my screen was Tasting City. A shout out to you, ma. You inspire me to recreate this video and I am so happy recreating this video. That video was so interesting and the look on that recipe was like, oh my goodness, it was calling my name. And here we are. You can see I also have garlic. Oh my goodness, I add garlic to it. You can see I scraped it with my scraper and then I just marinate it with my extra virgin olive oil. That is it. I am going to be dropping her video link in this video in description box. do well to go and check it out, and you will be so amazed with what you see there. So guys, you can see I have marinated the chicken. This is how you marinate your chicken. You can use any ingredients of your choice to marinate your chicken. You can see it. So that is it, and after doing that, I keep it aside and I start up cutting those vegetable. This is so easy. I love that word, delicious. This was so really delicious. I would love to say a very big thank you to you guys for the love, for the support, my old subscribers, my new one, you that is joining us after watching this video. I really do say thank you for all the love and the support. And if you are still here watching us, you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe to our channel. Subscription is absolutely free of charge. The reason you are subscribing is for you to be notified anytime I put on a new video. You will be the first person to be notified. At the same time, you are still supporting me to grow. Thank you so much. So this is all for the cutting of the vegetable. This time is the ready. So at this stage, I add salt, I add black pepper, I also add little bit of paprika, and I finish it up with extra virgin olive oil. Then I mix it up with my hands. You can also use spoon or any turning stick to mix yours up, but I decided to use my finger to mix mine. So after mixing everything together, you can see the delicious look. Without being told, you know this is so going to be sweet. I will take it to my oven right now. I fix it to the heat of 245 minutes. This is an old oven and it's very hot, depends on the oven you are using. So this is how simple and easy this recipe is, but it's so delicious. That is all for this video, and I know you enjoyed it. If you do, please remember to give this video a huge thumbs up. After 15 minutes, I will bring it out and cover it with foil paper. My reason of covering it with foil paper is because I want the chicken to be well cooked, because we love it when our chicken is well cooked, and the vegetable as well. So those heat will cook those vegetable and the chicken very well, like very well. So if you are still watching us, you have not yet subscribed to our channel, if you love what you see and you enjoy this video, remember to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe and you will never regret it. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you all in my next video, and wait to see the outcome of this delicious recipe. Bye.